Paskong DiaRey!
Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ray and it's been a while sa ating hashtag DiaRey. And for today's vlog, I'm so excited to share to you this newest vlog since last vlog na na-upload ko was about short vacation namin sa Dalagat, and it was way back May. So it's been a while since I posted a vlog sa aking channel, and I'm so excited to share to you this new vlog because this new episode of my channel, because it's almost Christmas. It's Christmas time. Lahat tayo, we want to feel love, we want to feel the happiness, and GMA Network started spreading the love and hope because they released their new Christmas Station ID, and as you can see the title natin, I will have reaction video about their Christmas Station ID jingle for 2021. And as a laking Kapuso since 1998, yes, buong pamilya ko po Kapuso, at lahat ng station ID nila mula sa PASABOG, mula sa Sundan ng Bituin, Love Shines, Isang Puso ngayong Pasko, at marami pang iba, Magic ng Pasko, yun. So, yun, tawag ito, na-speechless ako. I'm so excited kasi because di ko in-expect na early nilang i-release, because I was thinking na mga November nila i-release, but then on this week, last week, I think Friday or Thursday, nirelease nila yung teaser na i-release nga ngayong Sunday yung kanilang station ID, and I'm really excited to know kasi even though it's a even though it's a lyric video lang, I've read some tweets while watching Sunday, not Sunday also, while watching All Out Sundays, na marami daw mga singers, legit singers daw ang kasama. So I'm really excited. So wala kasi ito sa live stream kanina, kaya hindi ko napansin, and hindi naman ako nanonood ng TV kasi gamit ni Papa. So ngayon, panonoorin ko siya na-upload na sa channel ng GMA Network, sa YouTube channel ng GMA Network. And yay! Thank you so much, GMA, for continuing to spread love. So guys, wala po sana network war, and it's Christmas time. Let's all feel the love of Christmas, kasi alam naman natin na kapag Christmas Station ID tatak, ABS na yan. Aminin naman po natin na lahat ng station ID nila is talagang may recall, naka LSS, but let's not invalidate the beauty, the song, and the message of Kapuso Network's station ID, kasi lahat naman tayo, we all want to give love, to receive love, and to feel special during Christmas time, kasi it's all about giving love, it's all about making everyone happy, and yun yung essence ng celebration. So it's about Christ, and it's not about pagandahan, it's not about who's who na pinakamaganda, pinakamanining, pinakamaganda yung lyrics, though ang ating isipin na lang, it's all about giving back to the fans ng both networks, ABS ka man, Kapuso ka man, even kapatid ka man, kasi lahat tayo ngayong Pasko isang puso para sa bawat Pilipino, kasi nga love together, it's hope together, let's hope together. So yan yung Christmas Station ID 2021 lyric video ng Kapuso Network na Love Together and Hope Together. So atin nang panoorin at namnamin ang liwanag ng Pasko. In 3, 2, and 1. So here it is, Love Together, Hope Together, performed by Kapuso Singers. Oh, ang ganda ng beat. Love Together, Happy. See? Oh, it's Julian, it's Jobs. Oh, Lani. Oh, Hazel, Christian. Ang mga big four. Ilang na lyrics ha? Rita. Ang ganda. Parang siyang upbeat siya. Marie Chris! Sana nasa Kingdom ka na, please. Ganda ng lyrics, oh. Hazel. Anthony. Ayos ang katok. Mark. Buwan. Ang ganda ng chorus ha. Ang ganda. Hana. Maganda la. La. Oh, ang ganda. Para sa akin ang ganda ha. Maya. Mia pala, Jeremiah. Jessica. Proud si Buwan to. Dito ba si Golden? Ang ganda ng lyrics sa In Fairness. XOXO. Thea. Bago. Garrett. Nasa tabi ko. Ara. Pasko. Lang. Faith. Together. Malu. Kalay pala. Hope together. Maganda na sa Lani. I love the lyrics. Oh my goosebumps na. Ang ganda. Char. Liwanag ang Pasko. Ang ganda ha, in fairness. Naiyak ako. Ang sexy ni Faith. Wala si Jenny, no? Golden din. Maliwanag ang Pasko. Kulay ang Pasko. Nalasis na ako dun sa maliwanag. Love. Love. Ganda ha. May pag ganito. Nabitin ako. Yun na. Love together. Hope together. It's so nice. OMG. Di ko ano. Ang ganda. All of them are singers talaga. Oh my gosh, speechless. So, paano ko ba? Ilang minutes nga yun? 4? 5? Ilang minutes nga? 4 minutes and 25 seconds. Walang ganda. Gusto ko yung beat. Oh my gosh. Okay, compare ko last year ha. Sabi ko no, compare. Pero ko compare daw. Last year, heartfelt kasi yung pero ngayon parang more on happiness sila, more of happiness yung message ng kanta. Nalasas ako doon sa makulay, I mean, ano nga part yun? Ulitin ko nga. Nasaan yun? Asan yun? Hinahanap ko talaga. Ito yung part na gusto ko. Ito yung chorus nila. Ang ganda. Maliwanag ang Pasko. If love together, hope together. Makulay ang Pasko. Ang ganda ng lyrics dito. At ito din, mayroon pa, love sila, pas ho ho ho. So, for me, it's so nice. Para ang gaan lang ng feeling ng Christmas Station ID ngayon. So, which is, good job, GMA. And sino nga ulit yung writer? I want to commend Herm daw. I want to commend them. Si lyrics by BJ Kamaya ba to? Ang labo ng mata ko. Kamayan, Eman Rivera, and John Lopez. And also, composed and arranged by Simon Peter Tan. Congrats sa inyo! So, yun na guys. So, I'm really happy kasi it's, ang gaan lang, light lang ng vibe. Though, medyo hinanap ko lang yung iba, wala si Golden. And sino pa bang wala dito? Si Gabi. Kasi sila yung kumanta last year. Si Gabi, si Khalil, wala. But anyways, sobrang proud ako bilang Kapuso for having this year's Love Together, Hope Together. So, thank you so much, Kapuso, and that's my reaction video, and I hope na nagustuhan ninyo ng sobra. It was raw, it was my first time na napanood to, and again, hindi naman natin may iwasan may magko-compare. Let's just don't mind them. Let's just continue to spread love. And again, love together, hope together. So, thank you and advance Merry Christmas mga Kapuso! By the way pala, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe na rin kayo sa YouTube channel ko, #DiaRey! See you soon again! God bless you all!